Good morning, Hastings fam, or good afternoon. So reset Sunday with me, my loves. Do you normally do your chores on a Saturday or on a Sunday or randomly during the week? I'm trying to do bits every day so it's not as much of a pile up on the weekend. Let's get some morning skincare going on. I'm just going in cleansing with the oatmeal cleanser, and next in I'm going in with some vitamin C just to encourage that glow on my skin. And also I popped in with my moisturizer, which is the Clarins Day Cream that I'm using today, and I also went in with my SPF 50 just to protect my skin against the sun because it is hot in the UK. Oh my god, guys, if you love luxury handbags, then I have to share this with you. So I got sent this lovely bag by Teddy Blake New York. It is so beautiful, and I kid you not, the quality on this is amazing. Like, it's premium Italian leather, completely genuine luxury. It's just absolutely amazing, and it's all individually tailored. Like, they're just absolute beautiful designs. You do get to save 30% off with my discount code, but they're also having 60% off on the site as well, so my 30% is on top of that. There's the name of the bag that I got. Guys, look at this. Does something look good, you man? Jesus. I'm gonna pair this. I'm gonna put on one outfit. Let me know if you guys want to see me style this bag, because the bag will come all the way out. It look good. Inside is so nice. The quality inside and out, it's solid. Like, I was so impressed by this. Absolutely amazing, gorgeous. Run, don't even walk, run to their website. I got this new storage cabinet for my bathroom, and I'm just getting rid. Okay, hi, my name is Matoya and I'm a products junkie. A lot of those are actually PR products as well, but I do buy products for myself too, so that's why I ended up with a lot. But I cannot stand to see stuff out. I prefer it to be behind like a sleek white door or something. So here I am trying to do this impossible mission. I don't know who tell me say them I could have fit in at this, but you know what, it forced me to realize that I need to downsize. So I'm working on it. Well, I'm working on getting another storage unit. That's what I'm doing. So here I am just reorganizing. I sort of did sections of hair stuff, then I did lotions, then the top bit I put in like specific body wash, body items, toothpaste, things like that. The logic is in my head. It makes sense in my head, so I don't know where to sell me. Just know I won't put myself name. You know, like when you organize things and you understand the process, but nobody else does. Yeah. So now let's clean the toilet, my loves. Guys, I love cleaning. I love seeing the art. It's just so, I don't know, it's very therapeutic. I love the smell of bleach. I mean that bleach, I put in at everything. So here I am. I put in the Harpic and the bleach, and I go in, I sprayed some disinfectant Fabuloso, and then I wipe it down with tissue first to get rid of the dust, and then I go in, scrub the toilet, go back in with the cleaning thing and clean the entire toilet. I forgot what these things are called, but just know say it made the toilet blue and it made the water smell good. And then I went in with this toilet thing again for the scents. I don't really like the ones that hang on the edge of the toilet. It's kind of annoying. So this is like a gel. You get like 6 weeks or 8 weeks in the pack. You just put it in underneath there and then flush it. Now I'm just going in behind. I'm gonna have to move some of them and clean. We don't clean around things. When we clean it properly, we just do that. This vacuum is a lifesaver, because with curly hair gets absolutely everywhere, and when you're sweeping, it's just it's not working, and it frustrates me a lot. So the vacuum is amazing. Here I'm going with the pink stuff first. I like to just dose that all over. There's some disinfectant as well, some bleach, and then go in and scrub it down with the sponge. I'm also listening to some dancehall music, and you see I'm vibing there. So yeah, let me know what music you listen to when you're cleaning. I really enjoy cleaning bathroom. Like, the bathroom is probably my favorite place to clean. I don't know why. it just is. I think the satisfaction is nice when you see the after effects. I don't know, but yeah. Guys, I'm not even gonna lie to you, I clean my shower whenever I have a shower, or just before I have a shower normally, because I like to clean it when I'm already in there. So anyways, just for the video for you guys, I went in there in my clothes and just showed you. So what I do first is I scrub all the glass down, then I use hot water, run it over it, and then I go in afterwards with, like, you know, the window wiper, something what the one them use on the road at Jamaica. Yeah, I found a mini one, it's so cute, and I use that to get rid of the water so you don't get the watermarks. And now my shower is all clean. I'm just putting the mats back down, doing a little more vacuuming, because as I said, my hair gets everywhere, and then Amira's hair as well. So if you can get a handy little vacuum, this is actually from a big one, I just detached it, and now I'm just putting up back my little decor, because I took everything down just to clean it and have the free flow of everything. And yeah, just setting everything back up. I went back in with a fresh thing of incense. It's really good value for money actually. It's only like 80p from Primark. It smells alright, doesn't smell of much, but it's nice for the aesthetics as well. So I popped that on there, and then after this, believe it or not, I went in and washed my hair. So I'll try and film a full curly hair routine one of these days. Love the before and after. It's just so slick and so nice. Thank you guys so much for cleaning with me today. Let me know if you enjoy these kind of reset videos. Also, what did you eat for Sunday dinner? I love for some Jamaican Sunday dinner. Love you guys as always for all your support and all your viewings and likes and comments, etc. I love you guys, and see you next week. Bye.